In this video I will provide valuable information about the best cafe bike locks, including their varying features, advantages. I conducted thorough research and compiled a list of recommended products from renowned brands, making it easier for you to make an informed decision. If you would like to find out more about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Deluxe Deluxe Compact Folding Bike Locks. The Deluxe Cafe Bike Lock is an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience and security when it comes to locking up their bike. The compact size of the lock makes it easy to carry around, and the high-quality frame mounts make it effortless to store when not in use. The toughness and durability of the lock are impressive, and it can withstand physical attacks from determined thieves. Although no lock is entirely theft-proof, the Deluxe Cafe Bike Lock offers a strong and sturdy layer of protection to prevent bike theft. The lock is easy to use, and its length is just enough to secure both the tire and the frame, ensuring that the bike is locked securely to a fixed object. The folding mechanism of the lock is also noteworthy, as it makes it easy to store and transport the lock without taking up too much space. One of the great advantages of the Deluxe Cafe Bike Lock is that it offers a balance between security and convenience, which is often a challenge for many bike owners. With this lock, you can be confident that your bike is secure without compromising on the ease of use and portability. In summary, the Deluxe Cafe Bike Lock is a top-tier product that provides the much-needed security and convenience for bike owners, making it a worthwhile investment for any bike enthusiast. Number 2. Kryptonite Evolution Series 4 Bicycle Disc Locks. The Kryptonite Cafe Bike Lock is an excellent choice for bikers who value lightness, portability, and durability. Its compact size and lightness make it easy to carry around, while its toughness and durability make it an excellent choice for securing your bike against theft. The lock's burly strap design looks strong and provides excellent security for your bike. The lock's double deadbolt system is known for its holding power, and the shackle is wide enough to fit around most bikes, even when used in combination with a chain. The lock's red color and LED light on the key increase visibility, making it less likely to attract potential thieves. Additionally, the lock comes with 3 keys, so you'll never have to worry about losing one. Overall, this is a well-made cafe bike lock with features that provide excellent security and convenience for bikers. Its dust cover on the keyway and coated bar add extra durability to the lock, making it even more reliable. Whether you're biking around town or storing your bike outside, the Kryptonite Cafe Bike Lock is an excellent choice for keeping your bike safe and secure. Number 3. Abus Protectic 4960. The Abus Cafe Bike Lock is a great alternative to traditional bike locks due to its compact size and convenient design. Unlike foldable locks, this steel shackle lock can easily lock the wheel into the bike frame, preventing the rear wheel from turning and making it nearly impossible for thieves to steal your bike. Its versatility is also a plus, as it can be used as a cafe lock for e-bikes and fits well on the rear pannier rack. One of the best features of this lock is its ability to provide excellent security, even when the bolts that hold it in position are removed. It also does not require a pole or rack to secure your bike, making it very convenient to use. However, if you want to secure your bike to a post, it is recommended to use a cable or other lock option to support the cafe bike lock. Overall, the Abus Cafe Bike Lock is a reliable and efficient bike lock that offers more security than expected. Its small size and design make it easy to use in transport, making it a great option for bikers who prioritize convenience and security. Number 4. Vision Ultra Secure Combination Locks. The Vision Cafe Bike Lock is an excellent product that provides bike security, convenience, and style. Its compact size and sturdy build make it easy to carry around while still providing sufficient security for your bike. The keyless feature ensures that you don't have to worry about losing your keys, making it more convenient for the biker. The adjustable vinyl-coated steel cable allows you to secure your bike or any other items you want to protect, and the 3-foot cord is long enough to loop around your bike while securing it in a bike post. However, resetting the number combination can be challenging if you forget it, which is a minor drawback. Overall, the Vision Cafe Bike Lock is an excellent investment for anyone who loves cycling and wants to keep their bike safe. With its many benefits, it provides peace of mind and allows you to enjoy your coffee break, grocery shopping, or other activities without worrying about your bike security. Number 5. Deluxe Bike Cable Locks. The Deluxe Cafe Bike Lock is a compact and lightweight option that provides quick and easy security for your bike. The lock is composed of 2 short cable locks that use a 4-digit code for unlocking, and the numerical dials offer a solid click between each number, making it easy to open. This lock is ideal for short-term use when you need to run to a store or as a secondary lock to increase security. The small size of this lock makes it convenient to carry and fit in tight spaces when locking your bike. While it may not be suitable for long-term security, it will slow down theft and provide peace of mind for short-term bike security needs. Overall, the Deluxe Cafe Bike Lock is a practical and reliable choice for quick and easy bike locking. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.